Hi everyone. Well, today's the last day of June, so we're going to do our drawing today for my birthday challenge giveaway. So I had 7 entries, and as you can see, they're here. The easiest way, there's only 7, so I'm just going to cut them and let you watch me fold them and put them in this tray. I'm going to fold them small, all about the same size, and then we're going to do the drawing. I was going to do it at random number picker, but for only 7 entries, I didn't think I needed to do that. So it won't take me long to cut these, but I wanted you to see me cut them and put them in. Yeah. It's exciting. Now, what you have to do if you win a $25 gift card, as I kind of call it, it's not really. What I'll have you do, if you win, there's going to be 2 winners of gift cards to my Etsy shop, okay, of $25 each. And that what you'll have to do is pick what you like, put them in your cart, or just pick them and write them down, and then email me or message me on Etsy exactly what you want. I don't know how to do a code specifically. I've looked and I can't find the answer to that, to do a code to give you freebies. I don't think Etsy allows it. I'm not sure. I don't know how to do it, so this is the best way to do it. So just private message me on, or contact me on Etsy, and let me know what you've chosen, and I'll tally it up to make sure your $25 are under. And yeah, I'm going to make sure these are folded a little bit tighter, some of them. And I'm just going to shake them up. And I'm sorry, I'm in the middle of packing, so I might sound a little different. I don't have my microphone available. Oh, oops. Not to throw them out. Okay, so I'm going to hold it up and away from me, okay? So I can't really see. And I'm going to pick one. This is going to be for prize number 1, which is the journal. And that winner is Carla Van Gelder. Carla, you won my journal. So I'll be sending that to you. I believe I have your return address. So I'm just going to write that down. Journal. So we have 2 more to pick. And I'm just going to move them around, turn it away from me. And I picked another one. This is for $25 worth of goodies from my shop. And that's number 7, Heather Spalding. Oh. $25 Etsy. Okay, so I hope you don't have a problem picking. I've got a lot of things in my Etsy store, so I'm sure you'll find some things you like there. And this is number 3. This is, again, for $25 worth of product from my Etsy store. Tina from Shabby Dabby Doodah. I'm not sure she'll want my digitals, but you won them anyway, Tina. Congratulations, everyone. Okay. So number 1, number 7, and number 4 are winners. Thank you, everyone. I'm so happy that you entered, and I love everything. Bye now.